Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about ThreeJS and React 3 Fiber. So let's have a look into the project that we're going to be working on. It's a haunted house taken from a ThreeJS journey course which I had completed about 2 weeks ago, and I had a great experience learning from Bruno Simon. Uh, he walked you through the basics of 3GS and WebGL and all the way to the advanced topics such as shaders and post-processing. So if you are new to 3GS and if you want to learn the fundamentals of 3D experiences in web development, then I would highly recommend this particular course. And yeah, so let's have a look into the haunted house project, which is actually taken from the second section of this particular course. So yeah, in this mini series I will walk you through converting this particular project to React 3 Fiber. Coming from a React background, I thought it would be great to uh, learn the React 3 Fiber, and for that I chose a project that I had already worked on, so I can understand the transitions and what are the positive and negative things of imperative programming, and what are the advantages that we can get after converting an already written example in 3GS into a React 3 Fiber. So I thought it would be great to share my learnings and um, help you understand how it goes. So in the first lesson, we will create a basic 3GS scene in React 3 Fiber, and we will set up the React 3 Fiber project, install the dependencies, and we'll add in a basic cube to complete the scene. In the second lesson, we will add in a ground and a house to the scene. It will be created using a basic primitive and geometries. So there's nothing fancy going on there, but we want to understand the basics of 3GS and React 3 Fiber. So we will create the house from basic primitives. In the third lesson, we will add in some bushes around the house to make it look more cleaner and provide some feeling of the garden. And in the fourth lesson, we will add in night theme by adding some moonlight theming, and also add in some fog to provide a dark theme effect to the whole scene. In the fifth lesson, we will add in some graves around the house to make it a haunted place, and to distribute the graves on the ground, we will use some mathematics. And if you're not from mathematics background, then don't worry, I will explain the functions via drawings, and hopefully it will make sense. And in the sixth lesson, we will add in some ghosts to the scene, and those will be random lights moving around our house. And in the seventh lesson, that is the last one, we will add in some textures to make the whole scene looks good, and we will iteratively add textures to every element or every geometry inside our scene. So overall, the main goal of this mini series is to understand how to create a particular scene in React 3 Fiber, and try to understand the integration of the composition of different components using basic geometries, so that you don't get overwhelmed by the terminologies of 3GS. So we will use some basic geometries, and we'll talk about the use frame hook, which will let us allow or add some animations into the scene, such as moving the ghosts around the house. It will be done through the use frame hook, and so I'll try to cover the basic and the core functionalities of React 3 Fiber in this mini series. I hope this helps. So please like and share this video if you like it, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.